Come here, honey. Yeah, you know to get real low when Uncle Bobby comes. Oh, there he goes. Come on, you can do it too. Yeah. Uncle Bobby did it. Come on. I know you want to play with him.
I want to be just like Uncle Bobby.
Come on, Callaway. I know you want to play. Look, everybody's playing without you. There goes Bobby.
Come on, Callaway.
There goes one.
Bo.
Whoopsie.
Bo, come on.
Here comes the girls.
Come on, Callaway.
Oh, guys, let him pee.
Bo, come on. Good boy, Callaway. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes.
Oh, oh, oh.
Come on, Callaway. Come on, Callaway.
Come on, you can do it. Everybody's
on,
playing
buddy.
without you. Come here, Munchkin. Yeah. No, Bo, don't go up.
Come on, Callaway.
Come on, he's playing without you.
Come on, Callaway.
Yeah, he's just taunting you, walking around you, isn't he?
Good boy.
Yeah.
You're all the way down.
Oh, you almost got a tail in the face. You better watch it.
Honey, honey.
Uh-oh, somebody don't want to share his wubba. He's not sure what to do. Oh, you got the tennis tuffy. That's a little big for you, don't you think?
Nope, she's like, I got it. I got a hold.
Come
Here, sweetie.
Look at her go. You taking it or you gonna share? If I can get over here without stepping in poop. Bo, somebody has your wubba or your tennis tuffy. How do you feel about it? You got your wubba. Girls are playing with it.
Phoebe.
Oh. Somebody
Bo.
can't share. Bo.
That's alright, Bo. They got
let
wubba.
him. Oh, you gonna go hide it. Come here.
They got wubba.
Come on.
Phoebe has wubba now.
Bo, you can't. Bo, Cephas, you cannot take those toys. Oh, he's going to hide it. Girls, what are you going to do? Bo, you're so selfish.
Bo, share.
I'm so glad we got that on video. You funny, Munchkin. Look at you stealing from the girls. Zoe, what do you think about that? Oh, you got to be on the move. You got to protect your turf. Oh, now Russ. Ow, ow, tail. Hold on, let me back up so I can get a good video. And so you don't trample me. Okay. Throw it high, Daddy. Toss it straight up in front of you so I don't have to turn. Woo! He's going to get you. Oh, that wasn't very good. Try again, Bo. Take it back. Take it back. Daddy, throw up just a little bit. Bo, fail.
Phoebe.
Come here, honey.
Phoebe.
I'll throw it. Come here.
Phoebe.
Bobby, honey, come here. There you go. Give. I'm not playing tug. Give it to me. You ready? Are you ready? Bubba. Bo, pay attention. You ready? Woo! Oh, you still didn't get it. Guess it's all that selfishness. So, Daddy, please play.
Back up.
That tree limb throws him off every time he gets caught. Oh, there we go. There we going. All right. Say bye-bye. Everybody take it outside. You're all playing with a lawnmower. We need to mow the grass.